The other day, they wrote another screaming headline that President William Ruto is micromanaging his government and were complaining that he is hands-on. I've never heard anywhere in the world where anybody would have a problem with a hands-on CEO of any institution. All institutions that are known to be successful, all organizations that are known to have made a difference, they are those organizations that are led by a CEO who has a hands-on style of management. But our press have a problem with that. They are still in denial. William Ruto is the President of the Republic of Kenya. He defeated you and your project, and there's nothing you can do about it. You can just wait for your time and make another bid. And these people, I must say, are shameless. They try every day to create a wedge in our government that does not exist. The other day, they wrote a headline in Taifa Leo, Ruto amkata Gachagua kucha. Now, when you look at that headline, it has no basis. It's totally obsolete and misplaced. They were trying to create an impression that the president and I have a problem. I want to tell you, the media, you are going to wait for a long time, and you'll be disappointed. There will be no cracks in this government. This is a very solid government with leaders who have been brought together by some commitment to work for the people of Kenya. The president and I and the rest of us, all our ministers, are all pulling in the same direction. We all see things the same way. So don't try to create problems where there are none. After they failed in that one, they wrote another one page. The Prime Cabinet Secretary, Musalia Mudavadi, and the Deputy President are having a tussle. Again, pure nonsense. Something that is baseless. Just trying to poke holes in our administration because they have found that we have found a formula to turn around the economy of this country. I want to assure you, the nation newspapers, whereas I agree with Moses Kuria that you have become rogue and you are part of the Azimio brigade of trying to bring down the government, I don't agree with what he has suggested, that we stop advertising with you. We shouldn't, because we are democracy and we should be able to allow you to continue doing your job. Ours is to call you out. When you go overboard, we must tell you on the face. That is a strategy. But we also advise you, instead of hiding, why don't you convert yourself into a political party and then join the Azimio coalition? And then you can face us in politics, which is not your line. I want to conclude by saying, no amount of negative publicity, no amount of demonstrations, no amount of wearing sufurias on the head will distract President William Ruto from service delivery.